Hi, come on in. Today I am going to show you how to crochet this wonderful crunch stitch. Now, it's really versatile. The texture here, you can see you've got these raised parts, makes it absolutely perfect for scrubbies and kitchen scrubbies, and also for washcloths. It's really good as a textured blanket and for lots of other projects. It's a nice easy make, a one row repeat using only the slip stitch and the half double crochet US, half treble crochet UK stitch. So easy to do. Let's have a look at how we do it. Now today I'm using an Aran yarn and a 5mm hook, and we start with our slip stitch and chain, and we just make it in odd numbers. So you can make 21, 31, whatever you need. So just remember it needs to be in odd numbers. So we start with our slip stitch. So we cross it at the front, hook through, yarn over, and pull through that loop on your hook. Tighten it up that little bit, but you don't want it too tight. You want to be able to move your hook. We're going to start making our chain stitch. So yarn over, pull through that loop on your hook, yarn over, pull through that loop on your hook, yarn over, pull through that loop on your hook, and keep going until you get to your recommended number of chain. So that will be depending on the length of your particular project and how many you want. As I say, just making sure that it's an odd number. If you need to count your stitches, just look at your V's. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We don't count them on our hook. Make it to the length you want. I'm only going to do a very short swatch so that I can show you what to do. I have made a swatch of 17, so it's an odd number. What we do first is to work into our third loop from the hook, so we miss out the first two. Remembering we do not count the one on our hook, so 1, 2, miss them out and work into the next one. And into this one we will make a slip stitch. Now this is one of the basic stitches that we use in crochet, and to do this we simply put our hook through our chain, put the yarn over our hook, pull it through that chain and through the loop on our hook. Simple as that. We're now going to make a half treble crochet UK, half double crochet US into the next one. So that's yarn over. Find that next chain stitch, put your hook through, yarn over and pull back through. You've got 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. Next one will be a slip stitch again. So hook through, yarn over, pulling it through and through the loop on your hook. Whoops, there we go. And the following one, back to the half double crochet, half treble crochet UK. So yarn over, in through that loop, yarn over and pull it back through the 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. And that's how we're going to continue along the whole of our chain stitch. I'll do it a couple more times just so you can see it. If you do want to fast forward it on to the next part, please do, but I'll take a few more so that you've got the hang. So the next one will be our slip stitch. So again, in through, yarn over and pull it through the chain stitch, and then pull it through the loop on your hook. Following one will be our half UK treble, half US double crochet, yarn over, in through that chain stitch, yarn over and pull back through, yarn over and pull through all 3. And when you're looking here, I'm going into the next chain here, and I'm really going right there, right under that 1, 2, and in under there. That's where I'm crocheting. You can just use the top one, just go underneath that top one. I tend to go under both. I think it gives a neater finish to the bottom here. And the other option is to use the bumps on the back. But for this, I'm going into that 1, 2, and into that third one there, and we are putting our hook through because we're making a slip stitch again. Yarn over, pulling through, and pulling through the one on our hook. And then the half double crochet US, half treble crochet UK with our yarn over. 1, 2, and right there underneath that one. So 1, 2, and under there. Yarn over and pulling back through, 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3. And that's how this row goes. And I'll meet you when you get to the other end. Come to the end of my row, and I have just done a half double crochet US, half treble crochet UK. And in our final stitch, we should be finishing with a slip stitch. So yarn over, pulling through, and pull through the one on your loop. So that last row, we are finishing with a slip stitch. So we have started with a slip stitch and we're finishing with one. We will chain 2 and turn our work. Now this row becomes our row that we will repeat the whole way up. Our first chain 2 becomes the equivalent of our first half double crochet US, half treble crochet UK. So we are going to start with a slip stitch into our next stitch. Now we're going to look here at the top of our work so that we can see those V's. Now we don't need to make into the first one because this is the stitch for hit, so we're going to miss out that. Oops, we're going to miss out that first stitch and look for that second V. You look from the side, you can see these are coming along here, but we need to look from the top and look for that V's. So it's not this first little V here. We already got our chain stitch for that. It's moving into the next one, and that one we are going to make a slip stitch. Make sure you go under, in from the side, but you go under both of those loops that make the V. So when you're looking at it, you can see your V stitch there sitting on top of your hook. Yarn over, pulling through, and pull through the loop on your hook. Into the next V right here, we are making that half double crochet US or the half treble crochet UK. So yarn over, making sure you go in through that V. You've got it under both sides, so it's sitting there. Yarn over, pulling back through. You've got the 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3. Make sure you go into your next V now for your slip stitch. And again, that's just what you're going to do the whole way along. 1 slip stitch and then 1 half double crochet US, half treble crochet UK. Always looking for on the top where your V is and working into it. This is our half double US, pulling it through, and then our slip stitch. Look for that V and working into it. Work your way along, and I will see you at the other end. If you need to, pause the video and have a look at how we did the stitches as we went along, but I'll meet you at the other end. Okay, so we've done our row and I've come to the end, and I've got a slip stitch here, but I still have 2 more stitches to crochet. Now when we're looking from the top, you can just see, let me just pull that longer so that I can show you better. When we're looking for that top, you can just see the V there, which is our last proper stitch. And then we have to work into what is our 2 chain from previously. So we'll do this stitch first. And in that V right there, we will do our half double crochet US, half treble crochet UK. So yarn over and just put that in or through that stitch, yarn over, pull back through. You've got your 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3. Now we need to finish with a slip stitch, so we are going to work into the top here of this 2 chains that we used as our turning chain down below. So we're going to put our hook through there. That is, as you can see, just that top loop right there. Nice and easy to actually see here. And we'll put our hook through, put the yarn over, pull it through and pull it through the loop on your hook. Chain 2, 1, 2 and turn our work. And that's your first row of the row repeats finished. I will do this one more time with you just to show you how it works. So again, we are starting with our slip stitch. Remember, this one counts as a stitch, so we're not working into that first stitch there, we're working into the next one. When you look, you can see that's your 1, 2, your chain, that's your first stitch there, and we're working into the next one. So we're working in with a slip stitch, going underneath from the side here, going underneath that V with our hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull through the loop on your hook. Going into the next V with a half double crochet, half treble UK, put it underneath your V right there, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3. Your V, put your hook through the side there and underneath, yarn over, pull through the one on your loop, on your hook. Next one is your half treble, half double crochet US, going in from the side here, under that V, so in through that side, yarn over, pull through all 3, and then back to your slip stitch. Keep going, and I will see you when you come to the end. Now again, I've done my last slip stitch and we have 2 more to go. This could be the part that's easy to miss stitch on. So we always finish with a slip stitch. So my next one will be the half double crochet US, half treble crochet UK, and we are looking for that very final stitch right there. You can see that V, and we're going to work this stitch into there. So yarn over underneath that side here and working under that V stitch, 3 loops on your hook and pull through all 3. Now what we're doing again is going to work into the top of our chain 2, which formed our first stitch. There's no V there, but we work into this loop right here. You can just see it sitting right there. Put your hook under it, you can just see sits right there next to this one's. Hook under, yarn over, pull through, and pull through the loop on your hook. Always remember that your first stitch will be a slip stitch and your last stitch will be a slip stitch. That's the best way of making sure you get the right stitches. Always count as you go. If you need to, stop, pause, replay, have a look at how I've done it again. It's a nice easy stitch when you get the hang of it. Pop a comment down below, let me know how you've got on with doing this one. I'd love to hear from you. Like and subscribe and do all that lovely things. Thank you for joining me, for keeping me company, and I'll see you in the next one.